Fury using a problem-solving skill. So gandaan ka na dito. Come po. Alright, ganda. There you go. So again guys, this afternoon we will test the Fury using a problem-solving skill. Using this bridge as an example. So wait po guys. Maglalagay po tayo ng pagkain sa ilalim ng kanyang bowl and let's test that Fury. So, ganda. Perch muna, perch. Very good girl. So ngayon po, alright, ganda. Kunin mo yung pagkain mo. Figure it away. Go, go, go! Diba, amazing. See how smart these birds really are. Very good. So pa, go, go, go!
Ikuha nila yung pagkaon na.
Ayan, palapakan naman natin si Ganda mula
Good job!
Now you see guys, even our animals are smart enough to figure out things on their own. Kaya naman po, if you try to own a wild animal as a pet, don't do it guys. Let's leave them in the wild where they belong. Kaya naman po, palapakan naman natin si Ganda again for our wonderful message. Alright, Ganda, punta muna si Dexter and... Ayan. Alright, now, for our next animal ambassador guys, may kapatid pa pala si Ganda and this is none other than Jumbo, the environmental advocate. So Jumbo, alin ka na dito and let's show them what you got. Alright Jumbo, and here he comes. So guys, si Jumbo po ay isang environmental advocate and he will show us some ways in order to lessen the effects of air pollution. Starting with this tricycle.
Smart naman tamang uli.
Now let's see kung ano siyang gumagod yan. Go, go, go!
Tanaw sa taan. Palitan ni Guleo. Nagbay.
Oh, let's check in sa tricycle. Go, Jumbo! Konti na lang! Go, go, go! And finish time! Ayan, mukhang nahihirapan siya. Sige, go, go, go! Kaya mo yan! Guys, let's say go, Jumbo!
Go, Jumbo!
Go, Jumbo! So, mukhang masakit naman yung paa, guys. So, Jumbo, ayun, palakpakan din naman natin siya, guys. We're doing his best. Alright, so when guys, besides using a tricycle, he also knows how to use his favorite scooter na kulay pink.
Ay, scooter na po daw.
Pink na pink. So, go, Jumbo,
Wala
go,
si
go,
Din,
go.
wala yung scooter.
And move! Ako, mukhang natulala si Jumbo. So, Jumbo, balik ka na dito and move! Here you go, what a very talented group. Palakpakan naman natin siya ulit, guys. That's one talented cockapoo indeed. Now you see guys, even Jumbo does his best to take care of the environment and you can also do the same guys. Just like what ako kanina, pakisegregate lang po na ating mga basura after our show. So, ayun po guys, palakpakan naman natin si Jumbo for a wonderful show. Thank you so much boy.